There are calls which you need to take even if they are not for you. Handle this kind of situation with ease after watching this episode. Hello, my name is Hide and welcome to another episode of Japanese Unlimited. If you're new to our channel and wish to watch our previous episodes, just click here. In this video, I will teach you how to take a phone call that is for someone else. Let's start. それでは始めましょう。There will be times when you will be receiving calls that are intended for others. Here are some ways to handle them. For example, someone called looking for your colleague whose name is Mr. Kimura. Handle the call by saying this. はい、ちょっと待ってください。Which means, yes, one moment please. Then turn to Mr. Kimura and say, 木村さん、電話が来ています。Which means, Mr. Kimura, there is a phone call for you. If you want to know the name of the person who is calling for proper endorsement of the call, you may say, すみませんが、どちら様でしょうか? Which means, excuse me for asking, may I ask who's calling? Let's practice. すみませんが、どちら様でしょうか? If the person cannot go on the phone, you may say any of these following expressions. Let's pretend that someone is looking for Miss Saito, who is your colleague. すみませんが、留守にしています。Which means, I'm sorry, but she's not here. すみませんが、出かけております。Which means, I'm sorry, but she's gone out. 今は席を外しています。Which means, she's not at her desk right now. すみませんが、電話中です。Which means, I'm sorry, but she's in another call. すみませんが、会議中です。Which means, I'm sorry, but she's in a meeting. すみませんが、授業中です。Which means, I'm sorry, but she's in a class. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support our channel. And also, please hit the notification bell if you wish to be notified every time we upload a brand new lesson video. Because in this channel, your Japanese will be unlimited. Goodbye and see you on our next video. またね。